It's Booty Hole Troll.
Oh, you're a booty hole troll.
Dude, I've heard stories about them.
We got one of them here. You know Zach's definitely
Yeah,
a booty
Zach,
hole
for
troll.
sure. He's a Booty Hole Troll.
Fabio time.
It's-
Screwdrivers, they are built different. I like
Do you like them?
They feel good.
They do
These-
hold the
yes.
screws really well.
I like it. And 4 times the grip.
4 times? Is it 4 times?
That's what they say on the box,
Wow,
but
four
I
times
don't
the
really
grip.
think it's 4 times compared to this. Like it feels.
Yeah. It probably 4 times compared to an old stripped head screwdriver. Those ones really aren't that bad.
August 13th, my birthday. Well, maybe you'll win the PC then.
Wouldn't that be like your
But
lucky
it's
day?
always somebody's birthday during that stream, you know?
Yeah. Well, yeah, I guess when you got like a couple hundred people watching consistently, you know, it's bound to be someone's birthday. Yeah, we are. We did talk about trying to do some charity work at some point.
Yes, we love to do some
So
charity stuff.
that'll be fun. Hopefully we can work out something to do that. Because we've done a couple of charity things, but we've only done one. Well, we've done 2 locally. I don't know if you count.
Yes.
Level 1 is charity. I mean, it kind of
Yeah.
was charity work, donation in a sense, but we also did the children's home, which was very fun. Very
That was a
heartwarming.
cool thing with UCW.
Yeah. Which, hey, we got a cool video coming with another PC of his soon,
Oh, yes, that's true.
secretly.
Bunch of Gaming PCs help a lot. Keep thanks for the great content. Well, you know what? Thank you very much for watching.
We will keep thanks.
We will keep thanks.
Keep
I don't even
thanks.
have hands on yet. What are you doing?
No. Bro, is your power supply mounted, bro?
Heck yeah, bro. I'm ready to go. What do you do with all the PCs that you build on these streams? So we sell them at PCBros.tech. PCBros.tech. Our PC selling business. Woo! Love. You guys need money in order to do a giveaway? No way. Well, I mean, the only thing we have to do for the other company giveaway is pay for shipping.
Yes.
Luckily, they sent it to, but I mean, in theory, we're giving them a full video, which we charge other companies for at times. So.
And one thing that kind of drives me nuts, I think a lot of people don't understand about, like, you know, being a YouTuber is very privileged, very
Yes.
cool. Like, we're very honored to do it, but a lot of people gotta understand, when they think we're getting products for free, we're not really getting them for
We're
free.
doing
We're
things.
doing a service for that product. It's the same as trade work, you know what I mean? Like, it'd be like if I really wanted something from this guy's store, so rather than him paying me money, I have him pay me in goods, right? Like food, you know what I mean? That's basically what we do for these companies, is we're providing them with our service, and they provide us with a good. You're totally right, but I will not admit to it. Also, best is white chocolate. What?
Talking about chocolate. You guys like coconut chocolate?
I don't know, coconut chocolate, like just coconut with chocolate. I don't really like coconut for real.
I'm not a huge coconut fan either. Alright, swap with me.
You guys are saying that.
On Newegg, a lot of cool deals.
Oh, God, that
There's
hurt.
a lot of good deals on Newegg. You won't hurt yourself like Jackson did.
God, how did that hurt so bad?
What'd you do?
I dropped this and it hit like right on my toenail.
Oh.
And it hurt, just hurt.
So we gotta wear boots in the workplace.
Dude, I know, I need steel toes
Steel
to work
toe
here.
boots.
Chinese isn't bad, it's just
I'm
like,
never craving Chinese.
yeah, if I had to like make like a food totem, Chinese and like sushi like that, God, that was almost your foot.
Yep.
Chinese and like sushi and stuff like that would definitely be towards the bottom.
What do y'all think, guys?
Yeah, what's your like favorite food category? You know, we always Newegg now would not be Newegg now if we
Don't
weren't
talk about
talking
food.
about food. So let's get some food talk up in here.
Favorite type of food? Let's go.
Woo!
It's Mario time, guys.
You know what's crazy, guys? I think on Instagram I'm up to like 600 posts, give or take, that are almost all PC related. Thank you, guys. And that's not even like a fifth of the PCs we've actually built. I think that's what's wrong with us, honestly. I think we had salmonella and didn't know like 20 times or
That's how
something.
you become a YouTuber.
You gotta have enough brain damage to become a YouTuber.
Isn't that right, McAllister? You gotta be a certain level of stupid to be a YouTuber.
Was that a one of the sand people from Star Wars?
There we go.
The mom.
Yeah, that's one thing. I'll mention one thing. There's a lot of people. I guess they're just new to shopping around, but like they post that website and they're like, "Oh, this is an insane deal," and it's always a bid, and they're
Oh my
just like
God,
they don't
yes.
understand it.
It is always a bid, like
It's like-
every time.
Like that's not how that works.
It's like some people just don't even know what bidding is, I think. I don't know.
Does bidding in the last minute actually work? I mean, I've won
Yes.
things before, yeah.
That's what most people do. You're
Yes.
gonna notice on that website, almost any other website, people they watch the item, right? And so they make it to where like every hour that the countdown goes, once it reaches like 12 hours left, everybody floods in within the last like 10 minutes and just starts throwing their bids. So
Or if you have a price in mind that you don't want to go over it, you can place bids, and then if it won't actually update the price
Yeah, it
on
won't
there
tell
right away,
anyone.
it won't tell anyone what the price is. So it won't tell them until they try to bid, and they're like, "Oops, you got to go higher."
you gotta be quicker than that.
So you can just place your max price, and then if no one goes over that, you get it. But for the most part, like people are just going to go over it.